Big news coming in as court is acquitted accused in hate slogan case. Sartan Se Juda slogan accused, acquitted. Gauhar Chishti and other 6 accused in the case have now been acquitted. Controversial slogan that was raised from Nizam Gate of Sufi Saint Khwaja Moinuddin Hasan Chishti. In fact, the court acquitted the main accused, Gauhar Chishti, and other 6 accused. Same slogans raised from outside the dargah were raised by the accused after Kanhaiya Lal's murder case of Udaipur. Slogans of separation from the body there that were raised in July 2022. We see the court now has acquitted those accused. Dev Ankur joining us on the phone line for more on that. Dev, remind us on the case that happened in July 2022 where a bunch of men were arrested for raising slogans Sartan Se Juda. Dave, if you're with us.
Yeah, can you hear me, Nabila?
Yeah, please.
Right. So, in July 2022, Nabila, from outside the Nizam Gate of Ajmer Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti Dargah, the slogan that was raised was regarding Sartan Se Juda. And, you know, thereafter, when the Kanhaiya Lal murder case, the brutal and horrific murder of Kanhaiya Lal happened, the 2 accused in the case, also in the video, that slogan can be heard, you know. And for the first time when this slogan came to light, it was from outside the Ajmer Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti Dargah. And, several people mentioned that these 2 accused had visited the Dargah before carrying out the heinous act. But in the latest developments in the case, the court has acquitted 6 of the accused, including the main accused, Gauhar Chishti, in the case. These men were accused of raising those slogans from right outside the Dargah. The case dates back to July 2022, and the 2 accused in the case had apparently been miffed, allegedly, because of some post with regard to the then BJP spokesperson Nupur Sharma, which was they claim to have been made from the official Facebook account of Kanhaiya Lal, who was later on allegedly murdered by the 2 accused. Nabila?
Right. Well, at this point, the court has acquitted them. It's 2 years since they were in prison, Dev?
Well, not exactly, Nabila. The 6 of the accused, in fact, for some of the time, the accused were not apprehended by the police. They had been absconding. The police was trying to chase them. A case was registered after there was a lot of brouhaha in the media with regard to the main accused, Gauhar Chishti, who is considered to be the relative of one of the khadims of the Sufi shrine. And there was a manhunt for the accused. They were later on apprehended in the case. They were put under arrest. But in the latest developments in the case, apparently, it seems that the court has not been able to establish any links between the slogan raising that happened outside the Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti Dargah and the later crime that was committed by the accused allegedly in Udaipur, which resulted in the death of Kanhaiya Lal.
So the court hasn't really found a link, but has the court been able to establish that those slogans were indeed raised? Are these men pardoned for raising those slogans, or is it that the court has overlooked the details of this case?
Well, Nabila, the case dates back to July 2022. The slogans that were raised from outside the Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti Dargah, that can be heard in the video. The video that establishes that those slogans were raised from right outside the Sufi Saint shrine. What happened thereafter was that the administration of that shrine distanced itself from that kind of slogan raising. In fact, I spoke with some of the people who were there in power at that point in time, and they mentioned that the shrine did not endorse that kind of sloganeering, and that it was fully cooperating with the police. What apparently seems to have happened is that the court has acknowledged the fact that those slogans were raised, but it did not lead, apparently, or there was no direct connection that could be established between the hate crime which happened in Udaipur at a later date, which resulted in the brutal murder of Kanhaiyalal right inside his shop. Kanhaiyalal was a tailor who was working at the time of the murder inside his shop.
Stay with us. I'm going to quickly cut across to the lawyer of the accused in this case who's speaking. Listen in.
माननीय न्यायालय ने गौहर चिश्ती वाले प्रकरण में सभी मुलजिमान को दोष मुक्त कर दिया है, बरी कर दिया है। जो भी माननीय न्यायालय का फैसला है मैं उसकी अच्छी तरह स्टडी करूंगा और मैं हाई कोर्ट में इसकी अपील करूंगा। सभी के सभी आधार अभी न्यायालय ने प्रोनाउंस किया है, पूरा डिटेल ऑर्डर अभी आया नहीं है। मैं डिटेल ऑर्डर पूरा देखूंगा, उसके बाद ही इसकी अपील करूंगा।
इस मामले में बड़ा मामला था, देश भर
जी काफी गंभीर मामला था, ये देश विरुद्ध मामला था। मैं तो मानता हूँ हमने अच्छी तरह मजबूती से इसको लड़ा है, लेकिन अब न्यायालय का आदेश है, वो मान्य है। न्यायालय ने जो आदेश दिया है उसे मानना पड़ेगा, लेकिन मैं उच्चतम न्यायालय में इसकी अपील पेश करूँ।
उच्चतम न्यायालय में
एक आरोपी इसमें एहसानुल्लाह फरार है, उसकी ट्रायल चलेगी। 7 मुलजिमान तितम्मा है, पुलिस ने अभी इनको गिरफ्तार नहीं किया है। तितम्मा चार्जशीट अभी पेंडिंग है उनके विरुद्ध। इसमें ताजिम सिद्दीकी बरी हुआ है, गौहर चिश्ती बरी हुआ है, फखर जमाली हुआ है, नासिर हुआ है, रियाज हसन और मोइन। ये सभी सेक्शंस में कोर्ट ने इनको बरी करा है। इनके विरुद्ध में अपील पेश करूंगा।
क्या मामला था इनका?
घटना 2022 की है, जब नुपुर शर्मा ने प्रॉफेट मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की शान में कुछ अपशब्द कहे थे, जिसको लेकर मुसलमानों के अंदर काफ़ी रोष था, जिसके चलते हुए एक मौन जुलूस की यात्रा का कलेक्टर साहब ने परमिशन दी थी। लेकिन इन मुलजिमान ने वहाँ ऐसे नारे लगाए थे जिससे माहौल बहुत ख़राब हो गया था और सर तन से जुदा के नारे लगाए थे। काफ़ी गंभीर आरोप था इनके ऊपर, लेकिन न्यायालय ने आज इनको बरी कर दिया है। मैं इसकी अपील करूँगा।